honest with you. Trying to be as honest as I can. Now, also, there are a number of people bringing the ball, Jackie and Lauren, and I'm saying put one on here, and they're telling me we can't because their views are so racist and so extreme. Look, everybody knows how to express themselves. Whatever your point of view, at least try to express yourself in a way that we can talk, we can understand. Otherwise, I don't know where we go with this. So please, there's somebody, you know, I was born in English. I know how to speak good England, and I'm sure you can too. So you don't need to use those words. And then you might get on the radio. I'll put it shouting at it. You'll have an opportunity to get on to talk about your city and about what the future is and what you saw, how we move on, or whether we move on. There you go. That's all I ask. 0800 731 2000, text 81333 and start your message with word London. Chris, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Eddie. How are you?
I'm alright. I'm alright. Now, you're not from London, are you?
Well, I am. I'm from South East London. I'm in Cornwall.
Are you in Cornwall now? How is it? Because you don't want us. Did they let you in? Because they don't want us down there. We're thinking about where we can go. I'd sit down. I've been to Bodmin, rented a house down there once when I was a very young man. Went even further down to Padstow. One of my former producers got married, and I know it's a lovely place, but I'm hearing they don't want the pandemic down there. Just before we get into the central point that you phoned to make, what do you know about that?
I don't think it's as bad as people make out. I think people in Cornwall want everybody to be